Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, I am going to learn how to get 100% free Oracle database certification. So Oracle is providing the two certification, that is the one is the SaaS and another is the OCI level certification. This is a financial year 2026. You can save up to 40,000. So we'll go through the step by step process for that. Now, all exams employs financial year 26. There is a 40,000 save and two free attempts on the SaaS and OCI certifications. So great news from Oracle. A part of the financial year learning innovative, Oracle is offering two free certification exam attempt through your My Wallet exam wallet, valid for any Oracle SaaS and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. That is a OCI certification exam. So that means a total value of approx 40,000 absolutely free for the eligible employees. So these exclusive benefits help Oracle employees upskill, valid expertise, and accelerate career growth across the Oracle Cloud and SaaS ecosystem. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure OCI certification. So standard price of any OCI certifications is approx 245 USD dollar. That is approx 20,000 each. Okay. So here we'll go through the all the OCI certification I have listed. So as per your skill, you can go and choose your certification. So thus there is a foundation certification often free via the promotions. Okay. So other certification you can able to see there is a dollar for $245. Approx 245 means approx 20,000 approx you have to pay for this if you are going to buy this certification. So the exam you can buy for the exam attempt, that is the price is $235 and you have to give the exam, then only you will have a certificate after passing this. So there is a architect associate, architect professional, then developer professional, DevOps, operations, security related. If you are security related professional, then you can go for the security, networking professional, database management associate, data science professional, and generative AI professionals are there. And other certifications is Oracle SaaS. There's a cloud application certification. SaaS is the software as a service. So standard price of the all the certifications, one certification price is dollar 245 USD and approx 20,000 each. So there is a ERP cloud is there. Oracle Financial Cloud Associate. Then the professional is there, and professional, project management cloud professional certifications are there, and SCM cloud is there, Oracle human capital management. So that is the SCM cloud associate, cloud professional. So SCM is there. So supply chain management, so manufacturing cloud professional, inventory management. So you can go, and CX. So Oracle CX sale, cloud professional, and service professionals are there. So next certification is the EPM cloud. So Oracle Enterprise Performance Management Financial Consultation. So and close cloud professional. So this certification price is also 20,000 approx. So Oracle Planning and Budgeting Cloud Professional. So these are the certification. Any two you can choose as per your skill, and you can go for the up skill and valid expertise and accelerate career growth across Oracle Cloud. So what included in FY26? So they are providing two free exam attempts at per certification, coverage for the OCI certification, coverage for the Oracle SaaS application certification, access to official certification path, and preparation for resources, globally recognized certification for showcase your skills. Now, whether you are working with the cloud infrastructure, database, AI, and expertise SaaS application, this program helps you to build in demand skill and demonstrate real world prof- proficiency. So Oracle certification validate hands-on knowledge and are designed for the reflect job-ready capability, helping the stand out on today competitive cloud and SaaS market. So don't miss this opportunity and log into your My Wallet and claim your free attempt today. and saved approx 40,000 for the two certification. So now let me go to the mylearn.oracle.com. So we are opening the site mylearn. This is a part of the Oracle University. So let it open. Okay. So we got the page. Now let me log into my account. So you can go for the sign up if you are the free new user or sign into my account. So you have to provide your email address. Now password, or you can create your account. So you will get a email verification link to, so there is a 027 you will get in your mail. So 597. So this is the page. Welcome Chirag, and your personal details are there. And now go to the your account. There you will get my exam wallet. So here you can see all exams and employees financial year 2026. There is a total coupons, total attempts are available for two. Total is two, available for two, and used for zero. And expiration date is June 25 2027. So there is a big time is there. So now I'm going to search any of the course, just like as a DBA, I'm going to search for the DevOps, Database Management Associate, or data science professional. Just assume that. So go and search this one. So here you will get. So this is the data science professional. Click here and complete. Okay, this is the course only, I think. Okay, this is the course only. Go to the OCI Scientist Professional. Then 2025, there is a certification. So click here and enroll this path. After enroll, you have a complete all the steps by step. So because you have to learn something for the exam, so they are providing all the details, and there is a between that there is a exams are also there. So complete all the things, and practice exams is also there. Just complete the all step by step, then go for the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Data Science Professional exam. So click on the registration link. When you registration link, directly it will show you the schedule your exam. Okay. So why schedule? Because we have you have a two attempts are there. So go there. Here you have to get step by step. So start registration for the exam, and there is your time zone, date. Select any of the date. Just like I'm selecting 28 of 2. Click any time as per you. So just like night 1 a.m. I'm going to give this exam. So or you can change the date and time. So 12 a.m. Continue. So here you will get your exam attempts. So select your available exam attempts to the register this exam. So select your available exam attempts. So all exams. So this is the exam attempts we have in our account. So click here, save and continue. Verify official identity. Okay, so your name if you want to change your name, then you have to go to the Oracle cert view. So Oracle cert view, you have to submit your name with some matching government ID name, and they will approve you. Then you will get your name and your phone number. So click on next. Now confirm. So click here, continue, and term and conditions are there. So all the terms and condition, and finally agree, and okay, go to the last and click on yes, agree, and click on the schedule your exam. So after that you'll get a mail, and you have to give the exam as per their they will give you the details on the exam wallet. So here you can able to see how after that you'll able to see the exam details here. So you can select one of the exam. So standard price without free attempts. So if you are getting the free attempts, then okay. Otherwise, you have to pay for $45 USD plus tax. So this is the process. So finally, we have went through the 100% free 40,000 you can save with this Oracle Financial Year 2026 SaaS and OCI certification they are providing. So now, so disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video only made only for education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And follow the process exactly shown in the video. And follow me and support on the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. And share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. So subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.